is Tim Cook. My job title is sheet metal production. My job consists of quoting new customers for sheet metal parts and also programming the press brake. The hardest part is dealing with customers, uh, them wanting their parts right away, and us trying to shuffle everything around to get them the best service we could. Typical, a lot of desk work, but there is running around, checking on where the products are in line, also updating rev levels and such like that. Artwork, having to redraw from basically a napkin sketch and making it look like what the customer wanted. A lot. I've been here 17 years and we've changed a lot of machinery and gotten a lot bigger.